Hi, Percy. The Fat Controller's given me a really special. What's that? It's the Food Monster Truck for a big celebration at the big castle. Jackson Storm's in charge for the massive monster truck stunts. Wow, I saw something for it. Yes, see, there's a long railway, and I'll see all the sights of soda along the way. Very careful, Thomas. You have to go past the tire shop with a dangerous monster truck. If you can stop, you can blow into smithereens. Don't worry, Pussy. I can start getting so much things. I'll be off or I will be late. There's something not right about Thomas. He doesn't seem to his usual self. Yeah. Enjoy the trip, Thomas. Don't crash. Oh yeah, this is a real adventure. I'm going to see Chase with the Paw Patrol. I think it's to be excited to see me. Hi, Chase. Sorry I can't stop. I'm bringing a monster truck. There's something wrong about Thomas. I just can't figure. I see Marshall at the cat. I see Zuma. I see Robert. Hi, Sky. Sorry I can't stop. I'm bringing a monster truck. There's something wrong about Thomas. Thomas doesn't seem to his usual self. Gotta keep rolling or I'll be late. Oh, this is just a bumpy ride. Okay then, I think we're gonna go to the tire shop. I think Percy said that if this tire shop is so important. I don't know right now, but see, he's worried too much things and not to this plan. And anyway, what could possibly go wrong when I'm peeping? I need to see Sky. I'm going to go past Marshall into the cooking shop. He will be so excited to see me. Hi, Marshall. Sorry I can't stop. I'm bringing a monster truck. There's something wrong about Thomas. I just can't figure. There's a tire shop. Nothing scares without the vehicle saying based onto a railway. Okay then. How about let's go right into the shaky. What does this thing do so important? I don't know about it, but see, he is listening too much things and not to this plan. Anyway, what can possibly go wrong if I'm passing the boss? I love chugging on the trucks. Oh no, my car! Oh man. Woo! We're almost there. It's the castle. And oh no, it's completely destroyed. Let's go fix it. But how should we fix it? This is a real adventure. I love it so much. Harold, follow me. Harold, I can't believe you're at my eyes. Wow, I think you're in the top of the castle. Remember, Dad, that I see you to the top. Yes, Thomas, I know something. I've been swooped by the nasty rabbit. But why, Harold? I don't understand. Thomas, we forgot to tell something about the video to tell it. Maybe it's time to be careful and say as someone had to say, no matter how useful and think we are. Wow, Harold, that was deep.